This is question 27 on the Foundation Calculator paper. So this is one of the first really serious algebra questions on this paper. The question says expand. Expands means to multiply out. So everything inside the bracket I'm going to times by the number outside. I'm going to times 3 by x, or x by 3 to get 3x, and then I'm going to do 3 times 4 is 12, and there's a plus between them, so it's 3x plus 12. Part B is a similar thing. It says expand, so I'm going to times everything inside the brackets by what's outside it, by x. So I'm going to do x times x squared. X times x squared is x cubed, and then x times 2 is going to be 2x, and just going to put that plus sign in there, so it's 2x, or x cubed plus 2x. Alright, going on to the last bit of this question. The last bit of this question says factorize. Now factorize means to put into bracket. It's the opposite of expanding or multiplying out. And if you've seen some of the previous exam papers, I've done this in a similar way. Right, so if I have x squared minus 6x, think about what x squared means. X squared means x times x. X times x. I want to take away 6x. Now what's common to both of these? They both have an x in them. So when I put the brackets together, I'm going to have x outside, and if I remove an x from the first one, remove an x from the second one, I get x minus 6, right? That's going to go inside the brackets, x minus 6. Have to check this before you move away or finish off from it. X times x is x squared, x times 6 is 6x, and there's my minus sign. So got everything in there. This is a pretty straightforward question if you know how to do it, and it's an easy way to pick up 4 marks, 4 pretty straightforward marks. Go through this a couple of times, make sure you understand it fully, and can do it on your own.